Hosta Jurassic Park, frequently asked questions. Hi, Ferbvu here. I'm a gardener with a passion for unique and impressive foliage plants. Today, I want to delve into the fascinating world of Hosta Jurassic Park, a true giant in the Hosta family. This FAQ will answer your burning questions about Hosta Jurassic Park, from its size and care requirements to its ideal placement in your garden. See more 31 species in genus Hosta at monsteraholic.com. How big does Hosta Jurassic Park get? This is a common question, and with good reason. Hosta Jurassic Park is a true titan. At maturity, which takes around 12 years if left undisturbed, it can reach a staggering 48 to 56 inches in height and boast a spread of up to 108 inches. That's nearly 4 feet tall and 9 feet wide. It forms a large, impressive mound, making a real statement in any garden. Sun or shade for Hosta Jurassic Park. Hosta Jurassic Park thrives in a balance of sun and shade. It appreciates strong morning sun, which helps to keep its foliage vibrant and healthy. However, afternoon sun can be harsh, so filtered shade in the afternoon is ideal. This allows it to maintain its impressive size and color without burning. How does Hosta Jurassic Park compare to other hostas? Compared to other hostas, Jurassic Park is a true giant. Many hostas reach a mature height of 12 to 18 inches, making Jurassic Park 2 to 3 times taller. Its spread is also significantly larger, offering a bolder presence in the garden. Is Hosta Jurassic Park fast-growing? Hosta Jurassic Park is not known for its rapid growth. It's a slow and steady grower, taking its time to reach its full potential. This shouldn't deter you, though. The slow growth allows you to enjoy its development over time, witnessing its transformation from a young sprout to a majestic mound. What are the care requirements for Hosta Jurassic Park? Here's the good news. Hosta Jurassic Park is a relatively low-maintenance plant. It prefers moist, well-drained soil and benefits from regular watering, especially during hot and dry periods. A balanced fertilizer applied in early spring can promote healthy growth. Does Hosta Jurassic Park have pests or diseases? Hostas, in general, are relatively resistant to pests and diseases. However, they can be susceptible to slugs and snails, which enjoy munching on their leaves. Keeping the area around your Hosta Jurassic Park free of debris and applying organic slug and snail control methods can help deter these unwelcome visitors. How can I use Hosta Jurassic Park in my garden? Hosta Jurassic Park, sheer size makes it a perfect focal point in your garden. Plant it as a standalone specimen in a dedicated bed or use it as a backdrop for smaller flowering plants. Its vibrant green foliage complements a variety of colors, creating stunning combinations. Where can I buy Hosta Jurassic Park? Hosta Jurassic Park might not be readily available at your local garden center due to its size and relative rarity. However, many online nurseries and specialty Hosta growers offer it. With a little searching, you're sure to find this magnificent plant and add it to your garden collection. Final thoughts on Hosta Jurassic Park. Hosta Jurassic Park is a magnificent plant that will add drama and wow factor to your garden. Its impressive size, vibrant foliage, and relatively low-maintenance nature make it a worthwhile investment for any gardener seeking a unique and show-stopping addition to their landscape. So, if you're looking for a hosta that will truly make a statement, consider Hosta Jurassic Park. With a little patience and care, you can enjoy this giant of the hosta world for years to come.